have you ever wondered how to play the piano song 7 Years by Lukas Graham? So today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song on piano.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking urban, drinking, burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Soon I'll be 60 years old. The world is cold when I have a lot of children who can call me. Soon I'll be 60 years old. Once I was 7 years old.
So now I'm going to be telling you the tutorial part of it. So we will be doing a right hand tutorial. So I'll be telling you the notes. B sharp, A, G, F, D, F, D, F, D, F, B sharp, A, G, F, D, F, D, F, D, F, B sharp, A, G, F, D, F, D, F, D, F, B sharp, A, G, F, D, F, D, F, D, B sharp, A, G, F, G, B, F, D, F, C, B sharp, G, D, F, C, B sharp, G, D, C, C, B sharp, C, C, B sharp, G, C, G, F, 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 C, F, B sharp, A, G, F, D, F, D, F, D, F, D, B, C, D, C, B sharp, B sharp, B sharp, D, C, F, B sharp, C, D, C, B sharp, C, D, B sharp, B sharp, C, D, B sharp, C, D, B sharp, C, D, B sharp. So that will be your basic tutorial. I won't do the full tutorial because it may confuse you. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.